Okay, good evening. Welcome to
GreatMath136.
GreatMath136. So we are going to play a game. You've been playing a game with your eraser head guys and some dice, right? But it's a pretty complicated game, kind of hard to explain.
Yeah.
So I've made up a different game. So you got your dice, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to roll it. And if you roll a number, like you roll a 5, we're going to take away the person, the eraser, and 5, except this isn't an eraser. Who's this?
Dragon Lion Bunny.
Dragon Lion Bunny. Okay, so Dragon Lion Bunny will be number 6.
Mm-hmm.
And so once you take someone away, they're gone, and then you just roll the dice again, and we're gonna roll until everyone's taken away.
Mm-hmm.
So I have 2 questions for you, and I want to hear what you think ahead of time, and then we can play the game once. Okay. First question: how many rolls do you think it's going to take to remove everybody?
Well, on the first roll, you remove someone. Then on the second roll, you have a 1/6 chance of getting the person that's already removed, so you don't remove someone.
Okay.
So then, like, if you played 6 games, then that person would get removed. This person would get removed twice, only once in this first 2 rounds.
Okay.
So in the first round, 1 guy gets removed, and then in the second round, it's a pretty slim probability that it's only a 1/36 chance that you're gonna roll the same number. So I suspect you'd take another guy away.
Uh-huh.
And then this is a 1/3. So 1/3 of the people are taken away, and you have 2/3. So, like, maybe you would take another guy away, and then maybe you would get a number you already got before. So that would be 4 rounds,
Okay.
and then maybe do that, and then 2 more times you get numbers you already got, and you remove that. And like another 2 you would get, like another 3, and then you would get this guy.
All right. So how was that? How many was that total? Do you think?
So you had 1, 2, 3. You get one you already got. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so you think it's going to take 12
Yeah.
on average? Okay. That's really great reasoning. Very interesting. How come it's not going to take 6 every time? So you just get the 6 people away?
Well, because you might, like, if you remove 1, you might hit 1 again, and 1's already removed.
I see. Okay. All right. So my second question to you before we play the game is, who do you think is the most likely to be the last one remaining?
Well, I don't think it really matters because all these numbers are just the same. I don't think order matters, so it could be any one of these.
So you think it'll be equally likely? Okay. Even though Dragon, Lion, Bunny probably defeats an eraser.
Well, if you got into the technical things, this side weighs more because there's only 1 indentation, so it would come like this.
Oh.
So 6 would be removed more often.
Oh, really?
And 1 would come up the least.
Interesting. Okay. Where'd you learn that?
I just figured it out.
Oh, did you? Okay, cool. Well, I'll tell you what. For part B, we'll actually go ahead and play the game, okay?
Yeah.
And see if it takes more than 12 or less than 12. What would you guess? Is it going to take more than 12 or less than 12?
More than 12.
You think more? Okay.
Yeah.
But you think on average it'll be 12?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Let's see.